Hi, I'm David Leite.
And I'm the one.
He's my one. And we wanted to wish you
A
happy Valentine's Day. And if you're like most couples, or perhaps thruples out there, you probably argue on Valentine's Day. Lord knows we've had our share.
Yeah, every day.
Every day. And we thought the last thing you should be arguing about on Valentine's Day is what to eat. So we thought we would tell you what our menu is, as well as some suggestions for yourself. Now, any celebration in our house always begins with
Bubbles.
bubbles. Now, cava.
Prosecco, champagne.
Cava. I like cava. Mm. Woo!
Very good.
And then we segue into a pâté de campagne, which is French for country pâté. And that comes from Michael Ruhlman and Brian Paulson's new book, Pâté, Confit and Rillette.
Bonjour! And back to this country. For our main course, we're going to have my favorite, which is a rack of lamb made with Dijon mustard, parsley, and chives. It sounds difficult, but it's actually a very easy and delicious recipe.
It is. And then for side dishes, I personally like braised carrots with orange and rosemary.
And I like sweet potato wedges.
And then for greens, he likes
Black and green beans. Green beans always need a little bit of flavor. Again, this is a very easy recipe.
And then, if you don't like lamb, and we know a lot of people don't, we have a classic beef tenderloin with Madeira sauce.
Or a Peruvian chicken that's rich in spice and has a deep, beautiful color.
And then also a roast pork tenderloin with paprika. And then that is really big on social media, so we thank you very much for all the social media love that we're getting.
Thank you. And for our vegetarian friends, we have an excellent truffled mac and cheese.
We do.
Put a side of salad with that, and you have a complete and delicious meal.
And then when it comes to dessert, of course, Valentine's Day is synonymous with
Chocolate.
chocolate. And this one is a chocoholic.
You know, to me, a day without chocolate is really a day not worth living. And trust me, if the doctor said to me, you need to give up chocolate or you're going to die, I'm dead.
Wow, you went to a dark place on that, didn't you?
Dark chocolate, love it.
Wow, and so we're going to be, need a moment. We'll be celebrating with our wonderful cake. It's a chocolate cake.
It's called the Forever and Completely cake in our book.
And if you want to know where the title came from, Forever and Completely, just search it on the website and you will hear and read a touching story of two young kids who got together and fell in love, and 25 long
8 long years, and ate a lot along the way. Here we are
still together. It's the classic Hershey's chocolate cake.
One made with boiling water.
And it is rich and moist
and dense.
And it's got wicked, wicked dark chocolate frosting. And so that's what we're going to be making, and we hope that you'll make some of the recipes too. And also, if you want to find more recipes, just go on up to recipes above us and then click advanced recipe search and click Valentine's Day. And you'll find tons and tons of recipes. And tell us what you're making. Leave it down below in the comments.
And David and I want to wish you a very happy, romantic, and chocolate-filled Valentine's Day. Bon appetit,
Bon appetit.
Good appetite, whatever language you're using.
Bon proveito.
Oh, delicious.
This is so delicious.
So moist.
Fantastic. It's like sex.
I'm going to eat the whole thing.